Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the, I'm not even sure what is this in here. It is from a sneaker room. So it looks like it's like a pair of shoes or something like that. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys. And also show me what's in here. It's a mystery unboxing. So the tape is already messed up and dirty and filthy. Oh, it's a pair of shoes. As you see, the box is kind of banged up. Hopefully it didn't damage the shoes. So it says the box made in China. You got the in gold color with the recycle symbol. Got the Jumpman Nike ink. And then this black sticker. So the rip on the box. Wow, you can see the dust layer. Got the Jordan in gold. Also right here. Nothing on this side or this side. Let's go ahead and check out the size and then what is the shoes. So this one's the Air Jordan Low SC grade school. Size 7 youth. So retail price on this is $85 on the right hand side right here. And here's the barcode number. So this one's the black Aurora green. And this pair is made in China. Wow. You got a teal color on the toe box right here. And then orange on the tongue. And then the outline on the top of the tongue. It is in a hot pink. And I guess it's the Aurora green color right here. And this is black suede. The Nike, I think that is like a 3M reflective. I gotta turn on the light in order to see. And this is suede. All the black irons, suede material. Even on the ice day, you got the black lace. So I take out the shoe tree. And here's a size label right here. Let's go and then turn on the light, kind of dark in there. So yeah, so you got the teal Jumpman in there, and then the boy size 7Y square sticker right there. There's your insole in black. So yeah, right here it's a 3M reflected outline around the Nike swoosh. There's your Nike swoosh logo. Oh yes, you like the ASMR? Yeah, that sounds so nice. So the tongue is like a vinyl material. Go and then check out this side. Oh, before we go, I just noticed we have a gold diamond sticker. Nice. And you got the black embroidery diamond on there. Yes. I think that's relax your brain. Yes. Give you a tingling sensation. Yeah. I should do that more often, huh? People enjoyed it. Make them fall asleep. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.